Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NUGT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice bounce from where it started to where it closed. Good solid bounce. Everybody would agree with that. But that does lead into the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just one of those fake bounces, or in other words, a dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that level is right here at, let's see, what is that? $9.20. Why is $9.20 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, bounces that are actually bounces, the price is going to continue to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $9.20. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was at the lows of today. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around on top of the previous range, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves. They're going to make progress, and I'm just defining progress as $9.20. What about levels of resistance? Pretty straightforward. To me, it's all about the purple line right here, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. You can see that in the past, it's already been pretty stubborn in regards to the price. Knocked it down a whole bunch of times there, knocked it down right there. So I'm not saying it's impossible for the price to break through that purple line. I'm just saying that according to the past, quote-unquote story of the price, apparently the bulls are going to really need to bring their A game if that's the case. So no doubt about it, very nice move today, good bounce. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this bounce? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.